In this tutorial, we will review the process of linking Gigasheet with Domo, a renowned business intelligence platform, to enhance data analysis capabilities. Starting with a Gigasheet dataset that encompasses daily closing prices for every stock listed on the S&P 500 from 2014 to 2017, totaling approximately 497,000 rows of data. I'm going to filter the dataset to focus solely on Apple, reducing the count to 1,007 entries. To establish a connection with Domo, navigate to the Domo platform, where I've already logged in and up a connector. The objective here is to utilize the CSV Advanced connector. After selecting this connector and proceeding with a pre-configured CSV account, the crucial step involves acquiring a live URL. I can obtain this URL by navigating to Gigasheet. Simply going to copy the URL to use in Domo. Further steps include adjusting the HTTP headers based on Gigasheet's Domo documentation. It specifies adding an authorization key, which I incorporate into the HTTP header field of Domo's dataset connection setup. With default settings maintained for other options and a refresh rate set to daily, the dataset is named APL prices and initiated for data import. After saving, Domo successfully imports the 1007-row dataset from Gigasheet, establishing a dynamic link between Gigasheet's dataset and Domo's capabilities. This connection not only allows for immediate access to updated Apple stock price data, but also leverages Domo's extensive visualization and analysis features. To illustrate the live connection's efficacy, I modify an entry in Gigasheet and refresh the data in Domo, showcasing the immediate update in the dataset. This demonstrates the real-time synchronization between Gigasheet and Domo. For additional guidance, Domo's in-app helper directly links to the documentation for the URL for BI and Spreadsheets, facilitating easy access to necessary resources for setting up this connection. And that's it. If you have any more questions, feel free to email us at support@gigasheet.com. Thank you for watching.